Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to create an account on TikTok. To create an account on TikTok, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you've already installed TikTok application on your device, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So once you've installed TikTok application, next what you have to do is you simply have to open it. So there are some restrictions of not having an account. You'll not be able to like, comment, share, or you'll not be able to save the videos. So in order to create an account, what you have to do is, so as you open up your TikTok application, in the bottom left corner you can see profile icon. Tap on it. As you tap on it, next page you will be directed into a profile page. So over here you can see right in center there is login or sign up. So you'll have to tap on it. In case you already have an account, so this kind of interface might appear, and in case if you don't have an account, so you'll have something like create an account. So what you have to do right now is that you'll have to tap on sign up, which is right at the bottom, and on the other page you'll have to select the method in which way you want to sign up. So there are different ways of signing up. So that is, you can either use your phone number or email, or you can connect with Facebook, or you can even continue with Google and Twitter as well. So as for this video, I want to go with phone number or email, so then tap on it. On the other page there are two choices, so you can either sign up with phone number or your email. Then accordingly you'll have to provide the information, and once you're done entering your information, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So on the other page you'll have to create a password, so make sure to create the strong password. And once you're done creating your password, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. Next page you'll have to select your date of birth in order to verify your age, and once you're done, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. On the other page you'll have to create a username. So over here you can either skip this part or you can just create a username. And once you're done creating a username, tap on sign up. Right over here you can see that my account has been created, and now you can access all the feature that is on TikTok. So that is how you can create your TikTok account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And thank you for watching.